Happy Father's Day, everyone! For this holiday, we decided to show you 2 easy DIY gifts you can make for your dad. Oh, and as an added bonus, there's a prank included too. Hope you enjoy!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts.
Our first DIY gift idea is a cute Father's Day artwork. To make it, you'll need paints and a paintbrush, a canvas, cardstock in any colors of your choice, and scissors and glue. The first step is to paint the canvas. We wanted an ombre effect, so we used 2 different shades of blue. Before the darker blue was fully dry, we went in with the lighter color and started to blend the 2 colors. This will give you a nice ombre effect. Make sure you paint the sides of the canvas too. Once you're finished painting, let the paint dry. While the paint was drying, we used a die cut machine to cut the word Dad into some cardstock. Then we glued them onto the canvas. We tried to keep the letters spaced evenly apart. We used a book as a guide to help us place the letters down on the canvas in a nice straight line. And voila, the artwork is complete. The second gift idea is something every dad would love. Photos and artwork from your childhood, gathered together in a cute little folder. To make the folder, you will need cardstock in any color of your choice. This is optional, but you can also use markers or pens. And sticker paper. You will also need to gather up pictures and artwork from when you were a kid. We took our cardstock and put it good side down. Then we folded it to make a little pocket and then folded it in half. We decided to glue down the center and the sides of the folder pocket using some tacky glue. Then, on some sticker paper, we wrote down our dad's name and attached it to the front of our folder. All that's left is to put in your childhood drawings and artwork, and then you can give it to your dad. And here is the finished folder. We originally sized it to be able to hold small photos, but we decided later that we wanted it to hold some of our artwork too. Now for the prank. To prank your dad, you will need something he already has. Just take it and wrap it up. Make sure it looks really nice. And some cardstock to make a card. Fold your cardstock in half to make it into a card shape. Then take a pen and write down a message. Try to make it seem like the gift you bought was very expensive. Then attach the card to the wrapped up gift and get ready to see how your dad reacts. And those are the 3 Father's Day gift ideas. Hope your dad likes them.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!